Can we pay monthly on Best Buy? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how to set up installment payments on Best Buy. If you're interested in buying tech products or appliances but prefer paying in smaller amounts over time, this guide is for you. First of all, head over to the Best Buy's website by going on bestbuy.com. From here, you can browse the product you're interested in, whether it is the latest iPhone or laptop or any other item that you want to buy. Now find the product you want to purchase and add it to the cart. Once the item is in cart, you can go to the cart by clicking the icon at the top right corner and you will see your chosen product, and from here you can proceed to check out. When you're ready to check out, you will see multiple payment options. One of them is Zip, which is a service that allows you to split payments. So instead of paying the entire amount upfront, you can pay in installments. To use Zip, you can download the Zip from the Google Play Store or Apple Store, sign up, and within the app search for Best Buy. Then you'll be able to select your product and set up installment payments through Zip. Zip typically splits payment into weekly installments, so you'll pay your small amounts for over 4 weeks. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.